All right, I'm going to try to do this as fast as possible, but what this is a short instruction on how to actually make the Gogurt, the mogrt. Gosh. Anyway, so what we want to do is first of all, did you install the fonts first? Because that might be the issue, is you don't have the font, so it won't let the graphic come in. But nah, it wouldn't be. At any rate, I'm going to show you how I do it here. So I've gone from my editing, as you can see here, over to graphics. I've come to edit, and then I create a new layer, and from a new layer I import the file. Damn, that took a long time to find. Wherever that happens to be, and does accept the Photoshop file that I sent you, or I sent you in this message. And of course we want to merge all layers, and so now we've got it right here. So of course then what we want to do is click on it, and now we've got some things that we can do with it. And we'll take our font, and Proxima Sans Black is the normal one that we put up here. And then, well, okay, you know what to do from here on. Now, how do we save it? And we save it by this. When I created this layer, it actually put the layer down here. So this graphic is actually what we're dealing with, okay? So what I do is I highlight that, and then we come over here to File, Export. Whoa, whoa, whoa! Looky there, Motion Graphics Template. All right, so that should give you enough to do. Give you a try at making your own, and hope you and yours are healthy and safe. And I'll talk to you soon. Bye. Now, how do I turn this damn thing off? Oh, stop. Okay.